Exposing the lazy hero in your calendar. I think I messed up my schedule again, until AI fixed it. Here's how to make tech do the heavy lifting. AI isn't sci-fi anymore, it's your personal assistant. Reclaim scans your calendar and auto-schedules focus time and breaks to build habits. Clio turns budgeting into a chat, with SaaS. It even helps haggle bills so you keep more cash. Feeling frazzled? Breath watches your browsing and nudges you to breathe and reset before burnout hits. Content quality matters too. ActiveFence hides violent live content in real time, keeping feeds cleaner for kids and teens. Want a gym plan that actually fits your life? GymBuddy builds quick, personalized workouts and slots them into your day. Short on time? WordTune summarizes long reads into bite-sized points and rewrites messages so you sound sharp. For notes chaos, Mem auto-tags and connects your ideas your future self will thank you. And SaneBox sorts your inbox so you only see what matters. Use a couple of these, not all at once. One smart tool can change your day. Try one today and reclaim time, focus, and sanity. Want links and a quick how-to? Hit like, subscribe, and I'll drop a starter pack below.